heading now to Frozen. After refreshing the app for an hour, constantly, we managed to get one. Let's go. And we are at Frozen Ever After for our lightning lane. Got a Kirsch's to the right, which is usually a character dining, but no characters at the moment. We need to put our pram somewhere. Where's my family? Where the hell are they gone? Oh, there they are. I was like, where's my family gone? I couldn't see you. Little short butts. This is Norway. And we got Frozen Ever After. Eventually. Got a lightning lane. You have to scan in. Can you go first, girls?
You guys scan through.
We'll scan.
Then I have to go to guest services. My magic band there.
The green one?
Green.
Well then, follow through. Oh yeah. Hey, hey, hey. We bypassed the shop.
This one, the funny guy talked to us.
Yeah, he's in there. Is your band lighting up?
Yes.
Poke your head through, maybe. You might see him. Can you see him? He's on that side. Take him. Who is that?
Right, so this is his son. So he's gonna have all these things in here. You remember who Oaken is? Yeah? He sells all the ropes, he sold the clothes to Anna. Super cool, she got frozen. Maybe not. Maybe not. Thinking about it.
There you go.
Under the Oaken here. Happy summer snow day. From me to you.
And he never comes out of there. He is always in there. It's kind of a problem at this point.
Thanks, guys.
Well, because we got the quick cubes, we didn't have to stand in the big queue. But they let us, so that was cool, wasn't it?
That was a bit of Disney magic.
So nice.
She was really nice.
What is it like?
We sit on a boat and we go on a little tour around Arendelle.
See Anna and Albert.
Yeah. She's,
Olaf.
yeah.
I remember this.
Christoph.
I remember this.
Do you remember? We're in Arendelle Village for the summer blowout.
Well, floor, please. Watch your step.
Thank you. Say bye. Wow, look at the lights.
Do you want to build a snowman? Come on, I know you do. As it's made a magic winter show, it's summer snow for spending and we're going up to Elsa's ice house. You and you and you, all of you. See you there.
Say bye, Olaf.
Sorry again, please.
On a day very much like today, on our stage, comes up this right of true love and hope.
First time in forever. I'm so glad you came along. Forever. That's just your
Did you say that we're related or yes?
Let's just call it right. 'Cause for the first time in forever,
Ready? I thought we said no wet rides! Oh, I just got on my
Happy snowman?
Exactly!
Hold on to my dream of relaxing in the summer sun.
Just let Rolf scream.
Woo! And we're back in Arendelle. You like that ride, Liz?
This got me the wet butt.
Oh.
The water didn't get me wet. This got me.
Oh, that got you wet.
No, Mum.
Bands, guys! Bands! Lil!
Woo, now I'm feeling really cool.
Woo! Bands, yeah! Was it a troll?
Superwoman.
Supergirl? Supergirl?
No, I'm
She's Anna.
Your Anna!
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Do subscribe our channel, turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Bam! Bye guys! Bye guys!